Ace Spades here. We are unboxing a knife today. I'm pretty excited about this. It's my first fully lefty knife, like built for lefties, not just an ambidextrous carry. So pretty excited about it. Let's open her up. I got the Sniper Mini DH. Yeah, Mini DH today. Oh, that light looks good. Also, there's probably an easier way to open this box. Okay. Wow, he went all out. So I'm on the left-handed. I'm on the left-handed Facebook page, and one of the guys on there, his name is Micah, was selling this, and I decided I was gonna buy it. So guys are starting to figure out what it's gonna be. Got like Crucible CPM. Alright, this is what it is. Let's see if this will focus. So, yep, large Inkosi from Chris Reeve, left-handed. Let's get the rest of this stuff out. Got a sticker, the birth. It's from 2017. Oh, this is really overexposed. Let me turn the, see if I can, oh boy. Looks a little better. It'll also probably help with focusing. So February 23rd, 2017, it does say left-handed, S35VN, like I think all of their knives. Throw that there. We've got a nice overview of the parts that are used. Cool. You guys have probably already seen unboxings of Chris Reeve knives, so I'm going to kind of fly through this. This registration card that was never filled out, so that's cool. Micah did say that there's also a timeline here. I don't know if this is gonna work for you guys, but timeline and some more information on Chris Reeve. You guys, most of you know who Chris Reeve is. Alright, so we got foam here. We've got some bubble wrap, which I'm gonna set aside. Excuse me. A baggie of goodies. Looks like an oil, a couple oils, and this is probably Loctite, and then the tools to work to adjust things, probably like the pivot and stuff. And he included the lanyard. Looks like it was cut off, but that's cool. So this is essentially like new. He did say that it's been sent out a couple times for maintenance, so at this point it's going to be basically new. Oh, this is Micah's card. Okay, so let's see if I can get this to focus. Come on. Maybe. Yep. So there's his card, there's kind of his contact. Check him out on Instagram. I will check with him before I post this to make sure that that's okay. But yeah, cool. Looks like this is just foam. Yeah, so this is like the foam from the box. So I'm gonna move this all out of the way right now. I'll leave that there. Okay, so cool. unwrap, unwrap. Yeah, got the, so it's a large Inkosi left-hand edition, made in Idaho. Hopefully you guys are getting good focus here. This looks really good on camera. Hopefully it looks good to you guys. It's Chris Reeve logo, and yeah, nice and smooth. Let's see if this camera will focus. There it goes. So the blade looks to be in good condition, good edge on it. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it pretty good. So he did say, like, it is been used. It's not gonna be like a brand new one, but it looks to be in, I mean, lockup is good. I learned when Spencer got his that Sabenzas are known to have kind of a later lockup, but it doesn't really move. So it's the strongest the lockup can be. So yeah, we got it's the first time holding a knife that was designed for my left hand. So normally I'm used to, you know, showing you guys the show side the other way. So it's got a couple little snail trails and stuff, but that's what I expected. It's not going to be brand new condition. It's going to have some wear. It's going to have some wear on the clip. You guys can probably see there. But the blade looks like it's basically in new condition. I mean, it's got, you know, little marks here and there, but the edge looks good, feels good, fits my hand really nice. It's got the, yeah, so I'm on the wrong side of the camera here for this, but yeah, so we got the first left-handed blade. Here's a size comparison on the Mini DH. So it's a little bit bigger than the Mini. Let me grab a couple other like knives that you guys will know. So here's my Tenacious. For size comparison, a little shorter. The Stretch, also, the Stretch is actually about the same length, so let's compare. Yeah, it's about the same size as Stretch, probably about the same size of, it feels like it has a bigger blade than a PM2 would have, but I'm going to turn brightness up here for you guys. With all that white earlier, it was just really overexposing, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to have that left-handed knife that fits, like, it feels comfortable having a frame lock that is built for my left hand. Like, normally, you know, frame lock, my fingers are on the clip, they're on the frame, you feel all that, and then like it's smooth on in your palm. So it's nice to have all that be kind of in your palm where it kind of disappears, and then like nice and smooth on your fingers, your fingertips. Jimping's nice. I did do a little research on what the difference between Inkosi is and the the 25 and the 21. Essentially, it has to do with the blade shape. It's got a little bit fatter blade, from what I remember. I think it's got the extra finger grooves that are here. And no hole. I think the 21 has the hole. I can't remember if it's the 21 or the 25. One of those has the hole on, like, it goes on both sides. It's on the show side and right here, instead of just on the frame lock side. But for the most part, they're just I think it's the, I feel like it's actually the blade shape that this is the difference between the different numbers in the Inkosi. So yeah, this is going a little longer. I'm gonna cut this down, but there it is, my first designed for lefties blade. Not just an ambidextrous carry or an ambidextrous lock, it's a frame lock for lefties, which is something I've wanted for a while, and just had a little extra money from paying off credit cards and stuff, and just decided, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. So pretty excited to get this in the pocket. Oh, you know, this will show up in future videos for sure. I have a sneaking suspicion that it'll be in the pocket quite a bit. So those of you guys following me on Instagram, I am starting to post on there again. Just had a rough year, so I was kind of taking a break from the social media, but I'm back, and we'll be putting out more videos here more often for you guys, trying to just bring some content to the followers, to the few followers that we have. Yeah, excited to have that nice gentleman's carry. Oh, it's going to be hard to get used to pushing the frame lock away instead of towards my left. Matt has gotten into fixed blades, so I think we're going to do kind of a like fixed blade carry episode, maybe. I don't know that we're going to keep continuing with like Strangers in Knife, because I don't think it's really going to be a show anymore. I think it's just going to be more of a two dudes hanging out, getting coffee or something, and talking a little bit about knives and talking about a little bit of other stuff probably. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, comment, subscribe, whatever, ask me questions, let me know what you guys want to see more of.